Abakungu okuva Minisitule y'Ebyentambula n'Emirimu nga bakulembeddwa Minisita General Edward Katumba Wamala n'ekibiina ekya Uganda Local Government Association nga bakulembeddwamu Ibrahim Kitata ssentebe wa disitulikiti y'e Lwengo basinkanye abaka abeegattira mu mukago ogwa Parliamentary Forum on Roads and Water Safety ne basala entoto ku bisaanye okukolebwa okukwasisa amateeka ag'oku nguudo n'entambula ey'oku mazzi.
We don't have the capacity to manage the traffic on these small roads. We are going to lose them out. And you will be charging us for usage of money, the district urban community access roads.
Olukiiko noludidde obutakkaanya wakati wa Minisitule y'Emirimu n'ekitongole kya Aluga olwa Aluga okwagala gavumenti z'ebitundu ziweebwe obuyinza okukwasa amateeka g'oku nguudo mu bitundu bye zitwala n'okusolooza omusolo gw'okukozesa enguudo, ekintu Minisitule kyewakanya.
You have full authority. The Duka roads, you have full authority to make sure that you save our people down there, to identify those areas where there are issues. He is only concerned that it must cause sanity, like as he presented those inconveniences that may arise. That's the concern of the ministry.
Uganda, we have to strengthen decentralization like never before. Though we don't have to take away any mandate of any minister or of any ministry. Now, here is a scenario. As long as you know Uganda, and as long as you know how we have to realistically operate, there is no way the ministry can be in charge of each and every access road in this country, each and every access road.
Ab'ekitongole kya Uganda Local Government Association balaze obwennyamivu olw'enguudo ezongedde okwonooneka mu bitundu byabwe awatali ayamba nga mmotoka ezisinga okwonoona enguudo wali musolo gweziwa.
What is saving us in urban centers, especially Kampala, are potholes. If we didn't have the potholes, I'm telling you, many people would be dying. I can see you are talking about the reduced rates of accidents, but these potholes are saving many. I tell you, the borders are not controlled. They say that the moment you even get, you cover a pothole or a channel, that the central government will sue you. That's what they tell us, that if you tamper with their road, you will be sued.
Olune basinze ku lusonga emmotoka bilukululana emanyiddwa nga sino truck ebisomba omusenyu bibagamba nti byefuddemu mukono n'amakubo.
From Mitoma, we have mines. Those sino trucks destroy bridges, and remember, when the bridge is destroyed, they run to the MP. They don't even remember that they have a district.
This issue of sino trucks, and considering how much road fund is giving our communities, where you get a whole sub-county is given 4 million shillings. Then people see that 4 million shillings going to the other road, and these ones here are completely finished by this sino truck.
Abaka babukidde ensonga eno ne bateesa okwanja ekiteeso eri Parliament okuwera Loole enene ku nguudo ez'omu byalo okusobola okutaasa enguudo zino okwonoonebwa.
I understand where they are coming from, because many of them have approached me saying, why can't we put up revenue correction centers? But you remember that even the president outlawed those revenue correction points in the local governments, because wherever he would go, but to have a cent. Then he said, I don't want to see any roadblocks in the roads to disturb people. So,
Minisita General Edward Katumba Wamala ne akkanyiza n'ababaka nti Loole zino za bulabe eri enguudo z'omu byalo ezitali za koolansi era n'alaga obwetaavu bw'okubaako ekikolebwa okumalawo embeera eno nga disitulikiti tezinnafiirwa nguudo zonna.
Kaguudo bataddemu kaluvati sino truck nejja nekamenya naye genda bugenzi. Ati nga byebyo bye baagala balabe nga balina engeri gye basobola okukwasa amateeka mu local government zaabwe ku district and urban community access roads.
Frank Kiddu yakusakidde eggulire lino ku lwa KSTV Agaali.